Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Volvo XC60 to the internet. We'll start by ensuring your Volvo ID is active and linked to your vehicle. Then, we'll navigate through the Census Connect system to find the internet connection options. Finally, I'll guide you through setting up a Wi-Fi hotspot and understanding data plans to keep you connected on the go. To get your Volvo XC60 online, begin by tapping the settings icon on your center display. From there, select Connectivity to access your internet options. You'll then choose Wi-Fi to see a list of available networks. Select your desired network and enter the password to establish the connection. Your car can connect via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or a built-in modem. To create a Wi-Fi hotspot in your XC60, first make sure your mobile phone's personal hotspot or tethering function is enabled. Then, in your car's Census Connect system, go to Settings and select Connectivity. Choose Wi-Fi and activate the vehicle's Wi-Fi hotspot. You can connect up to 8 devices to this network, providing internet access for your passengers. Many new Volvo models, including the XC60, come with a complimentary 4-year subscription to digital services, which includes data for features like Google Maps and the Google Play App Store. This connectivity allows for real-time traffic updates, music streaming, and other online applications. You can also access remote services through the Volvo On Call app, enhancing your driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.